Moments ago, this substance was ice. Today, from minus 273 degrees to 100,000. The whole life of matter, non-stop. We start where everything stands still. Absolute zero. Minus 273 degrees. Atomic motion all but stops. A perfect crystal, the quietest state in the universe. Now, we add heat. The atoms begin to tremble in place. In a solid, heat is this trembling. Nobody leaves their post yet. Zero degrees. Right now, the lattice is collapsing, melting. The bonds that held the atoms just lost to heat. Liquid. The atoms stay connected, but now they can move. Heated from below and warm currents rise, convection. "100 degrees. Boiling. The bonds are fully broken. Each atom flies alone. A gas uses every bit of space it is given. Countless impacts on the walls. That is what pressure is. Keep heating. From here, the scale changes. "10,000 degrees. The atoms themselves start to break. Electrons are ripped away, and matter begins to glow, plasma. The ice, the water, the steam, this light, all the very same atoms. Nova solver. Physics made visible.